Okay, now I showed you these before. This is a different kind of the solar lights from the Dollar Tree. We're going to actually use these as solar lights, but I wanted to show you a fun, easy way to DIY them as soon as I figure out how to put this thing together. I did it. Okay, so these are great. I don't think I've ever really seen these at the Dollar Tree before, but they have these in silver and black. They are like the long cylinder tube-like ones, and I thought they would look really pretty in my landscaping. Put one on each corner so you can kind of see that at night. And I thought a quick, easy way to decorate the sides of that where it glows is to use some of these glass stickers from the Dollar Tree. And these are some of the new ones from this year. I thought like a sea turtle, a little crab, and trying to figure out what I have room for, maybe a dolphin. Just so easy. You could really use any kind of sticker. I think the glass stickers may be a little bit more see-through. I did not have the problems with the bubbling on these, maybe because they're smaller, maybe because it's more opaque, I'm not sure. But I just pop the bottom back on mine. And again, we're just going to use these as stakes. I think they're nice and elegant. I really like the style on these. And I think those little stickers look great because they have like a gray or silver dots on them already. So this is how it looks sitting without the stand during the daylight. So you could always just pop the stand off and have a little standing light like this as well. But this is how it looks staked into my landscaping out front of my house. And it was so easy to put together and inexpensive. Now that tag can be a little bit hard to get off. I just used a little Goo Gone to get all the residue off to make sure that's nice and clean. And then I thought we could fill this one up with coral. So it'd be a little different than the other one, but still super easy to just peel and stick these little glass stickers on the side. And if you're real creative, you could paint something on there as well. I'll go with someone else's art. And so I think 3 again would be a good number for this one. Just kind of decorating every side so it is cute from all directions. That's all there is to it. Another super easy Dollar Tree little DIY. I do go back and add some bubbles because, hey, why not? We're under the sea here, right? And I tried a starfish, but it didn't want to cooperate. I think that is really pretty. And I've used these coral stickers on a planter out front too, so it'll coordinate nicely with those. And look how pretty that looks in the daytime. So it's really decorative, more decorative than if you just left it plain silver and plastic. And then let me show you what this looks like all lit up in my landscaping. This is my favorite out of the 2 that I did. I really like the colors on this and I really like the coral details. Nobody would know that these came from the Dollar Tree for real.